How to use Roadie Driver app beginner tutorial. So basically a step-by-step beginner tutorial for using the Roadie Driver app. So unfortunately, this app is not really available for my region, but we can still clearly explain how to actually use the app. So first, of course, you're gonna have to sign up and get approved. Since you're gonna need some sort of verification, you're gonna have to do this process first. So tap Start Driving today once you go ahead and download and install the app. Download the Roadie Driver app and fill your driver's license, SSN, banking details, and submit required documents. Pass a background check and vehicle verification, which is optional for certain gigs like heavy items or airport runs. So once you are approved, you can gain access to the local delivery gigs. So the only deliveries you get is the place pretty much around you. So for how Roadie works, Roadie matches gigs. So outlines aligned with your planned route will match with yours, of course. So gigs vary from small packages to furniture or even airline baggage. Depending on your certifications, you can accept single or multi-stop gigs based on your convenience as well. You can navigate the app so gigs appear in a feed, tap offer to request them. Don't jump on the first gig, prices may increase after initial offers drop. So once chosen, follow the in-app instructions for pickup plus photo proof, then deliver plus final photo. The process should be completely easy since it's quite a user-friendly app. As for your pay and earnings, the standard pay depends on distance, speed, and size, which for premium gigs, pay more, of course. You can earn tips from senders as well. Payments are weekly, which is around Tuesdays, via direct deposit or instant pay after 5 completed gigs and being active for 7 days. But having those information, that should be more than enough to get you started with the Roadie Driver app. But of course, you can go ahead to the app itself to learn more about its main features and what it is as an entirety. But hopefully this video can help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.